Hello my besties, how are you? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add deco mesh to a garland. It's gonna be a quick makeover on the budget and high impact. Are you excited? I'm so excited. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because there's many more creative ideas coming up, okay? Let's get started. You can find a garland under $3 at Walmart. One roll of deco mesh, this one is from Dollar General. Your favorite ribbon, this one is from a store called At Home. And some color coordinating ornaments, small and big and anything else in between. And a few Christmas pigs for some interest. And if you have some battery operated lights, you don't have to worry about looking for an electric outlet. First, you are going to unravel your mesh, find the midpoint, and connect it right there at the midpoint of your garland. That way you are going to have same amount of mesh for both halves of the garland. I attach the mesh by twist tying 2 pine bristles like twist ties. And then we are going to measure about 12-inch pieces, bring it up, like make a little poof, and twist tie it with 2 pine bristles, just like so. And then again, pull a piece about 12 inches, doesn't have to be so exact, bring it up, make a little poof, and twist tie it again. And we are going to repeat this until we reach the end of the garland. And when you reach the end of your mesh, you just scrunch it up, tuck it under there, and twist tie it at the bottom. And now, if you want, you can just, fluff up your poofs a little bit and move on to the other side. And repeating the same steps of making little poofs all over the garland. And they don't have to be so exact. This is all for just adding some body and color to your garland. And there you go, easy peasy. We have no time for stress, right? And now I'm gonna show you how to make a bow, the easiest bow out there. What its name? Who knows? Type it down there. Cut your ribbons 30 inches long, fold the ends in half again, cut in an angle, and you got the fishtails on both ends. We cut 6 pieces here, 30 inches long. You can cut more or less, it's up to you. Fold each piece in half and measure 6-inch loop, pinch, and hold it with your thumb. Just like that. Measure the next one, 6 inches, pinch, and hold. Take the next color, 6 inches, pinch, and hold. And we continue doing this, alternating all our ribbons. Oh, look who walked in. Just say, hi, Kathy's sister. We know you hiding behind her. Yes, I'm making the garland for her. And I got all my ribbons here in my hand. I'm grabbing a piece of floral wire and I'm tying it nice and tight together. Now you can put your bow down and just put your hand through each loop and open it up just like so. We don't want 2 of the same loops next to each other. Try to alternate them. And then we are going to fluff up the tails. And you have to separate them. Make sure they're turned to the right side because all this ribbon actually is one-sided, so I need to make sure it's the right side is up. And again, I don't want the same tails next to each other, so we're gonna just mix them up and have a nice balance here. So just fluff, fluff, fluff. It's actually the most important thing. You gotta run your hands through every loop and every tail. And I forgot to mention one more thing. You're gonna need wired ribbon. The thicker the wire, the ribbon, the better. You don't want to deal with the flimsy ribbon. That's gonna make your job really hard. Look at that beautiful Christmas bow. You saw how easy that was? You can do it too. And tomorrow I'm gonna post part 2 of this video and show you how to make even bigger bow for a tree topper and adding a ribbon. We are attaching a bow to the center of the garland. If you like, you can make 3. My sister just wanted 1. That's why I'm decorating the rest of the garland with strips of ribbon, 30 inches long. I'm gonna use about 10 here. And look how easy it is. I'm pinching 6-inch tail and I'm going to twist tie it here at the top of the garland, just like so. Then I'm going to run this ribbon across down, just like so. Measure another 6-inch tail at the other end, twist tie it at the bottom, and watch what my niece does next.
Eleni!
Yes, she's crawling now and she got to my tripod. Luckily, nothing happened. Look at those cute little cheeks. So this is the first strip of ribbon we tie down. Now we're gonna do one more here on the corner. I'm just using one type of ribbon. You know, you can do whatever you like. Just attach one piece, do a 6-inch tail on the other end and attach it right there. Let's do one more. Run across maybe, pinch on the other side. And I feel like we need one more little piece at the bottom here too. Bring back that green elf ribbon. And here's a close-up look what we did here. And we are going to mirror this on the opposite side. And here's the look at the whole thing. Very easy breezy. And now we are going to add the lights. What's great about those battery operated lights is that they're thin wire and it's not that visible. You can run it on top of your ribbon. It doesn't get covered and it's just nice and bright. You see what I mean? And I have the little switch in the back there. Next, we are going to add our large ornaments. I'm going to put one in each top corner, and then I decide to add one at the bottom of each end. Just using the wire Christmas hooks to tie these down to the garland. Next, I'm threading the smaller ornaments on a pipe cleaner, half a pipe cleaner actually, and making little clusters, just like so. These give us a much bigger impact on your garland than just attaching single ornaments. And just twist tie these down. One more on the opposite side. Then just some doubles. A few more, couple medium-sized ornaments, and then if you have any icicles, you might want to add them in a corner, or maybe candy canes. Add as many ornaments as you like. My sister doesn't want too much, so I'm just finishing this off with some of those white pigs. They're so pretty and they brighten up any empty spots that I have. I just twist tie them in between. And for a cherry on the top, I'm gonna add those cute little elves. I got them for $1 a piece at Christmas Tree Shop. I think they were those little treat boxes or something. I'm tying a pipe cleaner to the back, and you see the resemblance? And I'm just gonna attach one on each side of my garland. You know what else would be cute here? those gnomes from the Dollar Tree. They have so many cute gnomes right now, or the gingerbreads, or the snowmen, Santas, whatever you into. Possibilities are endless. The bottom line is that this technique could be applied to any style that you have.
Alright, my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're gonna try to make a garland this year. If you do, please share the pictures with me on Facebook, my DIY Besties. I'll provide a link for you in the description box below. Take care, my besties. See you next time. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.
And don't forget to watch part 2, how I decorate my sister's Christmas tree.
Jingle bell, 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 bell.